Now this is a full tree removal by AJ's Tree Care. So here's the start of it, and we'll take a few more clips during the process. So as you can see here, it's always important to get a good place to tie off. And that is what Sean is preparing to do here. It's about 10:45 right now in the morning, and should really only take a couple hours to get us in and out of here, do everything in a safe manner, keep us from getting hurt, and keep us from damaging anything on the property. So here we go. And I don't know if y'all can hear that, but every time he picks up his chainsaw and puts it back, you will hear a click. Because every time he puts it back, he puts that brake back on to greatly minimize the chance of injury caused by that chainsaw. So you see him up in the trees getting after it. I'm gonna have to pause this for a minute because I'm the ground crew today. But again, I'll start this back up and show more of what's going on here. So down. Took just a few minutes, and now we're gotta clean it up. Knock down the rest of that trunk.